Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Queen Elizabeth is here with another very exciting and amazing project, the gaming project. As you can see on my screen, the exciting game you can see. And this game, we're gonna discuss everything about this exciting project, like about their tournaments, about their token mnemonics, about their community. Everything is available in this video, so don't miss any part of the video. So let's start this amazing Dragon Arena, the gaming project. You can download in the App Store and get it on the Google Play. So now let's discuss about this amazing gaming project. This is the first free play to earn game on the PC and the mobile, featuring your favorite Mimi Quine characters. So jump into the action, crazy the fights, wild energy, and the non-stop fun. Only one can come out on the top. Welcome to the arena, Dragons, and hi to the honor, guys. You can check this. Climb fast to fall hard, endless tower and rising fog and playing players trying to push you off. Stay live and stay on the top. You can get team battle for the bag, grab the cash and hold it longer than the other team member and don't get jacked. And tournaments, you can check this out. The prize pool, which is $50,000. You can check this out. There are a few steps you have to take, like the play and the earn dragon. You can join the tournament, you can track the tournament schedule, and you can claim the leaderboard, guys. You can check this out. How you can play, you just initiative controls and gameplay for the players of all levels. You can check this out. You have to go and check the movements, the looks, the action, the jump, the sprints. Everything is available. So there is very easy to go. And also their token mnemonic, they have 100% fair launch. All the tokens go on to the liquidity dragon token details. We're gonna discuss the total supply, the buy tax, which is 0, the sell tax, which is 0, the contract status. You can check this out. The renounced and the launch type, which is 100% fair launch, and join the community on the right platform. And guys, on this screen you can see there is a button of play now, so you can go and click on it. You can check this out. There the game portfolio has been starting and showing on my screen, the Elizabeth. You can check this profile. You can go and win and guys enjoy this gaming project. You can see, and also you can check the matches played, the global rank, the wins, everything, the loss, the maximum points, the top points, everything is available on this. You can check this out. So now you can see that they have the store, the leaderboard, the wallet, the play to earn. You can go and download the MetaMask to contact your wallet, so you can just use this wallet. And also you can guys play to earn this, because it is a gateway to earning. Just got real with the play to earn model. Every tap match with the win bring the Ethereum straight to your wallet, so it gets better. Nothing tournaments are dropping with the massive rewards and getting you even more chances to climb the leaderboard and stack your Ethereum. So gear up and earn hard and donate the arena, guys. And now we can go to play button. You can check this out. So you can go and you can also add your friends, your family, so that you can check their social nicknames that they are added, and you can also play with them and you can get reward from them. And also you can go and play, click the play button. Now the game has been starting, the ticket created, the finding match, and you can see they are showing some guidelines and how you can move the forward, the backward, the side, the jump, and every how you can shift and you can space. They are showing some guidelines. So now let's start this game. So the game has been starting right now. It is started, the countdown has been started, and it has been started. So you have to just simply survive. You have to just go to your survival. You don't have to drop yourself, so that you and eliminate. So let's start. Your survival has been started. So you have to go on the top and you have to stay on the top, and you can go top and top. You don't have to push yourself backward so that you can go down head and you can eliminate. So let's start. You can see I am playing the game and I have to make sure that I am go on the front and I'm go on that top so that I don't have to push myself downward. So you can see I am going forward and forward, guys. So I have to stay and I have to survive in this game, you can see. And also I am eliminated because I have dropped myself. You can check the players, you can check the time, the score, you can check everything, you can check the rank, you can check yourself everything. And that's all about this amazing high tower game. So you can also check the expires, the you can check the rewards, everything is available. So you can check your expertise. And also you can see that they have the dex swap, they have the chart on the dex. You can see on that the market cap, the liquidity, the holder, the circle supply, the total market cap, and the 24-hour volume. And you can check this out. They have the dex score, which is 99 out of 99. They have the 97, the project reliability score based on, yeah, you can check this out. They have the very good amazing scores. You can check this out. You can check their community trust, you can check the holders, and also you can join them on the Twitter, the social accounts. You can follow them on the tweet on the Twitter. By following them on the Twitter, you can get updation for their further upcoming amazing video notifications and amazing updates of this game, Jag Arena, guys. You can check this out. So you don't forget to follow their Twitter so that you can get updation from their further upcoming amazing project details and the project overviews.